Canada 10187, we're in the go-around. We got a hydraulic gear problem. We'll stand by.
Air Canada 1087, I check that. Check here in the go-around. Turn right, heading 100 degrees. Chalk on at 3,000 feet.
Stopping at 3 and missed the heading. We're kind of busy.
Okay, when able, heading 100.
When able, 100, Air Canada 1087.
Air Canada 1087, contact departure 1288.
188, Air Canada 1087. Departure Air Canada 1087, pan. We got a green hydraulic issue. We haven't got our gear down yet. We've got 196 plus 6 crew on board and 3.5 on the fuel. We're going to need probably 10 minutes, vectors 10 miles inside of the field to get our gear down and run some checklists.
Again, 1087, roger, come to 4,000.
I'm to 4,000, Air Canada 1087. And from Air Canada 1087, can we just stay at 3? Going into the cloud gives us, there's ice in the cloud.
Affirmative, maintain 3,000 feet.
Maintain 3, Air Canada 1087.
Air Canada 1087, turn right heading 250, turn 240.
Right turn heading 240, Air Canada 1087.
Air Canada 1087, can you take on the fuel and what the unit is?
I got a green hydraulic low pressure, and the fuel is 3.5.
Is that 3.5, is that kilograms, pounds?
3,500 kilograms.
Air Canada 1087, turn right heading 250.
Heading 250, Canada 1087.
Air Canada 1087, take runway 33 right and the wind, which is right now 340 at 14. Thank you.
Okay, stand by.
Air Canada 1087, turn right heading 330.
Right, 330, Canada 1087.
Air Canada 1087, turn right heading 060.
Right turn 060, Air Canada 1087.
Air Canada 1087, when able, let me know about that runway, 33 right or 6 left, whatever you need there.
We'll take 33 right for Air Canada 1087. Right. We're still running checks right now.
Air Canada 1087, roger, let me know when you're ready for that, and turn right now heading 150.
Right turn 150, we'll let you know, Air Canada 1087.
Toronto for Air Canada 1087.
Go ahead.
You know, the company know we got an emergency going on here.
Yeah, well everyone, trucks and everything are going to be ready as well, so we've treated it, so make sure the company knows too.
Yeah, okay.
Air Canada 1087, turn right in 250.
250, Air Canada 1087.
Air Canada 1087, any hazardous cargo on board?
Negative for Air Canada 1087.
Roger. Air Canada 1087, contact arrival now, 132.8.
328, Air Canada 1087.
1087, roger. Plan vectors for 33 right, and let me know when you're ready to come in.
We're ready now for Air Canada 1087.
Canada 1087, turn right by heading 060.
Right turn heading 060, Air Canada 1087.
Air Canada 1087, turn left heading 360, intercept, cleared off approach runway 33 right.
360, intercepted, ILS 33 right, Air Canada 1087. Check, we'll need early clearance for landing for Air Canada 1087. We got the gear down now and locked.
Canada 1087, I checked that. I'll be talking to the tower here momentarily.
Check.
Canada 1087, you can contact tower now, 118.7. Good night.
1187, Air Canada 1087. Air Canada 1087 with the Pan ILS runway 33 right.
1087, continue number 1, runway 33 right, one more land run, runway 05.
Opening number 1, Air Canada 1087. You can check for Air Canada 1087, we'll be stopping on the runway.
Yeah, check remarks, Canada 1087, thank you. Canada 1087, equipment's in position, went 330 at 11, got state gain, clear to land, runway 33 right.
Go band 30, Air Canada 1087.
Air Canada 1087, you can contact the fire vehicles on 12287. Or, sorry, 12267.
12287, Air Canada 1087.
Sorry, 12267.
12267.